Hi, today for a few OnePlus Nord 3 5G and I'll show you how to hide apps on this device. So open first the settings, then scroll down to privacy section, switch permissions to privacy, click to hide apps, and now we should set a privacy password. So click to the settings, you could use 6 digits password or to use a different password type, for example the pattern. Just enter first the pattern. Now here we got the security question, you could use one from these questions or to use set the custom one. So after that, just tap to OK in the right upper corner. You'll see here all of your applications which you could hide. Just let's for example hide the first one, and now we should set the access code just to enter it on our dial pad if you wanna just have access to the hidden apps. So this code should start with the hash key code and to end also with the hash key. Tap on the right upper corner to OK, click to done, and that's it. So also we got how we could access to the hidden apps. Let's open the phone app, tap to the dial pad, hash key, code, hash key, and now we can see here our hidden apps. Just to unhide them, we should go back to the privacy to hide app section, and to unhide them just click on the switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.